Still needs to get carpeted and painted inside with drawers, but there's the general concept. 34 long by 42 wide. And piano hinge. And you can still use your back seat completely fine and comfortably. I'm 6 foot tall. Sitting in it, I mean, it's not a big SUV. (2005) GX470 DIY tutorial. All right, so we got a sheet of plywood from Lowe's for 40 bucks. It's measuring out the distance currently.
What the back end is, because I still want the seats to fold down a little bit.
So 32 by
34 by 42.
That's what we're making this sheet out of. 40 bucks. Just a saw, cut off. Now lining it up.
And the reason I wanted to go 13 inches, when I put the bed on there, it will be level with the top of this, so I can have a level sleeping pad. And I'll probably end up putting a hinged piece of plywood, depending on how much room I'll have up there, to have it try and bridge the gap. Quarters, is that a true 3/4? It's a true 3. Making the top 42.
Okay, so we have, this is the base with the top is in the back right now. It's 34 inches long by 42 inches wide, and then we have 3 pieces. That was the leftover, 1, 2, and 3, and then a little bit of extra. That was off one piece, full sheet of 3x4. What's that, 4x8?
4 by 3/4 by 4 by 8.
3/4 by 4 by 8. And so what's gonna happen, you'll see in a second, is side, middle, side, and then that's the back for the drawers to go into. So we're gonna stable it together and you'll see next. Okay, now it's in. Backer, split down the center, this piece, and then it's gonna hinge off the back to rotate so that you can still use your back seats, but then when you need in a fly to put a mattress back, and then you don't have to take your seats in and out constantly. We'll have to notch these edges so it can actually swing up and down. That should work.